Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to pass the Stripe fees to your customer, a topic that's crucial for many businesses looking to manage their finances effectively. Understanding how to handle transaction fees can significantly impact your bottom line, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to stripe.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password to access your Stripe account. For those who are new to Stripe, you'll need to create an account first, but today we're focusing on existing users. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at your Stripe dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your account. Next, head over to the Billing section, and from there, click on Invoices. This is a critical step because invoices allow you to pass fees onto your customers seamlessly. Now, select the invoice you wish to edit. This should be the invoice associated with the customer you intend to bill additional fees. Click on the customer's email to proceed. For this demonstration, we'll use a placeholder email for privacy, but remember to use the actual client details in your scenario. Next, choose the currency for the transaction and select the product or service you are billing for. It's essential to be aware of any currency considerations that might affect your transaction based on your or your client's location. After making these selections, save your changes to ensure everything is up to date. Let's move to the additional options. Here, you can customize how the invoice appears, including adding custom fields. You might label this section as service charges or processing fees, depending on your preference and the level of transparency you wish to maintain with your clients. Finally, review all the details in the invoice to confirm that the fees have been added correctly. Once everything looks good, click on Send Invoice. Your customer will then receive an updated invoice that reflects the additional fees. And that's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that the costs associated with processing fees won't cut into your profits. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you can now pass the Stripe fees to your customers with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on managing your online business effectively.